Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to display captions in X Spaces, formerly known as Twitter Spaces, on your PC using the latest update. Captions are a fantastic way to make live audio conversations more accessible, whether you're tuning in at work, in a noisy environment, or you simply prefer reading along. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. First, open your browser and head over to the X website. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're on the homepage, look to the right bottom corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the section dedicated to Spaces. Click on it to see a list of ongoing live audio discussions you can join. Next, select the space you want to listen to. Just click on the space, and it will open up in a new window or panel. Now you're inside the live conversation, and you can start listening right away. To enable captions, look at the top of the space window. You'll see 3 dots. This is the menu for additional options. Click on those 3 dots to open the menu. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled Show Captions. Click on it. Instantly, captions will start appearing on your screen, displaying a live transcription of what's being said in the space. This feature is especially useful if you're in a place where you can't use audio, or if you want to follow along more closely. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can make any X space more accessible and easier to follow. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might benefit from captions as well. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next X space with captions enabled.